सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरो येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Chant later. Please, you can write this Sakarmaka Dhatu. I have modified just the same thing I presented then. The reader will understand it. Please write this Sakarmaka Dhatu Kaha. Akarma Dhatu Kaha. Right. The two terms Vyapara and Phala. Vyapara is the action, the transaction. The transaction which is done for achieving the result. Phalam. So Kriya Vyaparasya Ashrayaha Yatra Bhavati Saha Karta. That's what I give the translation. The locus of the action. The one who is the locus of action. It is called the Karta. Kriya Yatra Bhavati Saha Karta. So Kriya Vyaparasya Ashraya. Ashraya means locus, Adhikaranam. So Kriya Vyaparasya Ashraya Yatra Bhavati Saha Karta. So Karta is the Adhikaranam of the Vyapara. And Palasya Ashraya Yatra Bhavati Tat Karma. So Palam, the result, the locus of result, is called Karma. So Karta and Karma. Karta is Kriya Vyapara Ashrayaha and Karma is Phala Vyapara Ashrayaha. Right? The locus of action, the one who is the locus of action is Karta, and the locus of the result is Karma. Okay? Right? So Karta is the Adhikaranam of the Vyapara and Karma is the Adhikaranam of Phalam. So two locuses are there. For Akarmaka Dhatu, there is no two, it is only one, the same locus. For Sakarmaka Dhatu, it will be two different locus. That's a difference. Yes? Adhikarana means the locus. That's what Adhikarana Karaka is also. Ashraya also same meaning. Done? Okay. Kriya yatra bhavati saha karta. Phalam yatra bhavati tat karma. Right. Sakarmaka karmana saha vartate. That's called sakarmaka. Akarmaka na karma कर्म न वर्तते, अकर्मक धातु, right? Then फल व्यतिकरण व्यापार वाचकत्वम सकर्मकत्वम. We saw this. V plus adhikarana, different. V means different. Adhikaranam is locus, the ashaya, which is when it is different for the vyapara and the phala. Vyapara has its locus in karta and phalam has its locus in karma. When they are different, it is what? The dhatu is sakarmaka. Sakarmakatvam, the status of being sakarmaka, is for the dhatu, for the kriya. Dhatu means kriya, the action, which has two different locuses with regard to the vyapara and with regard to karma. Not same. That is called sakarmaka. Right? Phala vyadikarana vyapara vachakatvam. Phala vyadikarana is different. Vyadikarana vyapara vachakatvam. The locus of the phala is different from the vyapara. It means they have got different locuses. It's called sakarmaka dhatu. Right? Example given here, you can see. Then, copy this one. Then, if the vyapara adhikaranam and the phala adhikaranam has a different locus, then the dhatu is sakarmaka dhatu. Right? Karmana saravattate iti sakarmaka dhatu. That is the dhatu which can take karma is called sakarmaka dhatu. Ramaha vodanam pachati. Take this example also. Here vodanam pachati, pachana kriya, that is the action, set of action. Here only one action, pachana kriya. Which has ashraya, adhikaranam in karta. And karma is the vodanam. Vodanam means rice. Okay. He cooks rice. Karma is vodanam, which is the locus of phalam. So now you can see here, vyapara and karma are different. Vyadikaranam. Therefore, pachati is what dhatu? Pransadigo. Sakarmaka dhatu. Clear? So, phala vyadikarana vyapara vachakatvam sakarmakatvam. That's the definition. Phala vyadikarana vyapara vachakatvam sakarmakatvam. Example also you can copy. Huh? Vachaka means word. Vachakatvam, the status of being the Vachakatvam, the status of being Vachaka. Vachaka is that which is called, okay, which is denoted, which is called Vachakatvam, which is denoted, Vachakatvam, Sakarmakatvam. From the Vach dhatu only, Vach dhatu, Vach, to speak, Vachaha, words. The words that mean denoting. Copy this. So I am not giving the exact translation, it's a parallel translation. Then, we'll copy the example. Yes? Yes. Then, phala samana adhikarana. Samana adhikarana. Samana is same. Phala samana adhikarana vyapara vachakatvam akarmakatvam. Between the phala and vyapara, the adhikarana locus, if it is same, if vyapara adhikaranam and phala adhikaranam has the same locus, single locus, only one locus, then the dhatu is akarmaka dhatu. Please write everything with examples. This I may send you later, but you can write it. Keep that in your notes. Because I wrote, I got my talk, detailed talk. That is a reference for me also, just to teach. So it's important. Understand and then write. Then, so na karmaka, na sakarmaka dhatuhu, akarmaka dhatuhu. The dhatu which cannot take karma is called akarma. This is called transitive and intransitive verbs. Yeah? Intransitive. Yes. Transitive. That which can take karma, transitive. The action is transferred to that. That's called transitive. That's how we can take it. Intransitive, not transferable, because it doesn't have karma. Not transferable. Right? So, phala, vyapara palayogos, it is samanadhikaranam ati chet. Then dhatuhu akarmaka dhatuhu iti katyate. Phala vyaparayoho iti vyadikaranam asti chet. Targi dhatuhu sakarmakah bhavati. Right? Not there, I'm just saying. So now the example for akarmaka. Ramaha patati. So here the vyapara is patati, patana kriya, which has ashraya in karta. Karta, and the result of falling also goes to only karta only. There is no palam. There is no result for the palam. I mean, karma not there. The result of falling also goes to the same person. That was single locus. Samanadhikaranam. So, vyapara palayoho samanadhikaranam asti. Therefore, the dhatu pat is akarmaka. Yes.
A bit down, just yeah.
If you can remember this example, then you know what sakramaka, akarmaka. Then, if it is akarmaka, then karmani prayoga possible or not? Possible? No. Akarmaka, only bhave prayoga is possible. Ramaha patati, convert this into karmani prayoga. Specifically bhave, we have to say. What is that? Impersonal, transitive, something long passive voice in English. Bhave prayoga. Ramaha patati, convert this into karmani. Ramena pat plus yat plus te patyate. Falling is done by Rama. Right? Falling is done by Rama. That is the translation. That's how, in any other way can you do the translation? Ramena patyate. You just try to do the translation in English. You cannot do it. Karma is not there. So you have to start from the kriya only. Falling is done by Rama. But falling is what in English? No, falling is, what is falling in English? Falling is done by Rama.
Falling is done by Rama is passive.
That's okay. I'm asking what is the word falling in English?
Intransitive.
Huh? No, I'm not asking about the verb. It's not a verb at all in the sentence. Huh?
I don't understand.
Reading is a good habit. What is reading?
Oh, participle.
Yes, it's a noun actually. It's a noun.
Yeah.
Falling is done by Rama. It's a noun. Falling is a noun. Because you have to use only the kriya as a noun for translation into English. There is no karma. That's no other way you can do the translation. And if you try to literally do that, it becomes a problem. Suppose the English sentence is falling is done by Rama. Now you don't know Ramena patyate. Now you want to translate. How do you translate? What is falling, you will think? Falling, participle. Participle is pat dhatu, patan. You will keep thinking like that. Falling, to fall, falling. What will I use? Simple, Ramena patyate. That's all. That's the translation. So you cannot do the exact translation. Starting from falling, you cannot take. Falling is done by Rama. Who is the karta? The karma is that falling. Okay, that action is the kriya. So pat dhatu, that must first you have to spot the dhatu. But who is the karta? Rama. So he says Ramaha patati. That's all. Whether you translate as Ramaha patati or Ramena patyate, that's the translation. You cannot do any exact translation. Word by word translation cannot be done, and it will not look good also if we do. What is the word for falling if it is a participle? Patan. Patan Ramaha, you cannot say. What? Patan Rama complete. You can use Patan only, another action also use it. Patan Ramaha Gayati, you can say. Right? Falling Rama sings. But falling is done by Rama, how do you translate into Samskrtam? Ramayana Patyate, that's all.
Shall we can you move the slide a bit up?
Yes. And now, therefore, Sakarmaka Dhatu can be in Kartari Prayoga, Karmani Prayoga. Right? Sakarmaka Dhatu can be in Kartari or Karmani Prayoga. Even Bhave Prayoga also. Whether it is in Bhave or not doesn't matter. That's why I am not writing it there. Sakarmaka Dhatu can be in Karmani, can be in Kartari Prayoga, which we know. Ramaha Kadati. Sakarmaka Dhatu. And Karmani also. I can write Bhave also. In 3 words it can be Karmani, Bhave. Okay, let me write Bhave also. Sakarmaka Dhatu can be in Kartari Prayoga, Karmani Prayoga and Bhave Prayoga. Sakarmaka Dhatu. Whereas Akarmaka Dhatu can be in Karmani or Bhave. Kartari, what Kartari Prayoga will come? Karta is not. Ramaha Palam Kadati. Okay, Ramaha Patati. Ramaha Patiti, Ramena Patiti. Karmani Prayoga or Kartari Prayoga? Kartari Prayoga. Cannot come. Akarmaka Dhatu cannot take karma. Therefore, okay, therefore, it means Bhave Prayoga. Okay, it can be Bhave Prayoga. 100. Akarmaka Dhatu can be in Kartruvachim and Karma. Karma. Okay, cannot be Karmani. Sorry, Kartai. This is Kartari Prayoga, like Ramaha Patati and Karmani Prayoga, Ramena Patyati. So 2 things are possible. Okay. Whereas in Sakarmaka Dhatu, Ramaha Kadati, Ramaha Palam Kadati, Ramena Palam Kadyate. If Karta is not mentioned, even for transitive verb, it's up to the Vivaksha of the speaker. Palam Kadyate. Kena, Tena, Ramena, somebody. Okay, therefore, Sakarmaka Dhatu can be in Kartari, Karmani or Bhave. Whereas Akarmaka Dhatu can be only in Kartari or Bhave. No karma possible. Please note this important. I hope you are writing everything this. Any doubt in this? Yes.
Kartari, I can use Shatri and Shanaj.
Kartari, Shatru, Shanaj. Okay.
In Karmani, Shanaj.
Shanaj.
And in Bhave, Shanaj.
Yes. Yes.
Not Shatri. So Shatri only Kartari.
Sorry, Shatru only in Kartari.
Only Kartari.
Yes. Shatru only in Kartari.
Shanaj, all them.
Yes. Because once you say Shanaj, even Parasmay Paridhatu will take Shanaj in Karmani. And Atmani Paridhatu, even if it is Kartari, will take Shanaj. Anyway, Kartari you leave it out. Right? Karmani only you take. So when you take Karmani, whether it is Parasmay Padi or Atmani Padi, you will take Shanaj only. If the past participle, if the participle, not past, if it is a participle. Yes, Shanaj. And Karmani, of course it is Shanaj only. If it is Bhave, then also it is Shanaj only. Right? Understanding is correct. Proceed further. Copy this. Yes. Now, this points also you write. This is with regard to specifically Tavatu Pratyaya. See, it is Tavatu Pratyaya. Tavatu Pratyaya, not Ik Tavatu. You don't say Ik. We don't say Ik, you cannot add E. Tavatu Pratyaya. I simply say Tavatu Pratyaya. Tavat. Removing the letter. Tavat. Or Tavatu Pratyaya. Tavatu. content of tavatu pratyaya after removing the ether letter is tavat. This is number 1. Right? Number 1. Okay, number 2. Tavat pratyaya is added to denote the past tense. Denotes past tense. Tavat pratyaya is added to the dhatu to denote the past tense in the active voice. Okay. It's added to the dhatu only because krit pratyaya. I'm just adding dhatu to denote the past participle, to denote the past tense. Past tense participle. Can I write past tense participle? Past tense participle in the active voice. Within bracket I write it's a participle. Past tense bhuta kalarte. Bhuta kalarte, past tense participle in the active voice, kartravashya. And number 3, it qualifies karta. Number 3, it qualifies karta, right? So 3 points written. Content is tavat. The second one is tavat pratyaya is added to the dhatu to denote the past tense in the active voice. Then it qualifies karta. Done? Yes. The next one, number 4. Number 4. Yep. Yes, it's same. Kartari, kartrudayava, kartruvachya, all same. Vachya is what is said. What is said denoting the karta is kartri vachya, kartri prayoga. Karma vachya, yes. Number 4. Tavat pratyanta pradipadikam can be declined in all the 3 genders. Number 5. Tavat pratyanta padam acts like an adjective to karta denoted by it, therefore it follows a gender, number in case of the subject, that is karta in the sentence. That we have seen it qualifies karta. Anyway, one more thing added, just to show that it should match with the noun in terms of gender and vachana in case. And number 6, tavatu is an ugit pratyaya. Ugit means when sarvanamastana pratyaya follows, we take numagama. So therefore it will take numagama. These are the one more is okay. Number 6, then number 7.
What's pratyanta?
Pratyanta padam, ending with tavat pratyaya. Actually, tavat pratyanta padam, you can say pratyaya anta, it's a pratipadikam, then you add, it becomes a padam. Okay, how to say it? I can say only tavat pratyantam. Tavat pratyantam, to be very more specific. Tavat pratyantam, padam, tavat pratyantam, that is kridantam, tavat pratyantam, when it becomes a padam, by adding sub pratyaya. tavat pratyantam when it is a padam. It acts like an adjective. This will be more specific. Tavat pratyantam padam which we can understand. If you still feel tavat pratyantam, antam is a tavat pratyanta, therefore it is a pratipadikam, that doubt may come. So, when it is a padam, not acts, when it is a padam, tavat pratyanta, that is tavat is added. When tavat is added, what is that? Pratipadikam. And that pratipadikam has to become a padam by adding sut pratyaya. Therefore, tavat pratyantam, when it is a padam means you are adding a sut pratyaya. So that's what I mentioned, tavat pratyantam padam is, you can understand. If you can understand it is no problem, but should not go literally by that also. That's why I wrote more specifically. When it is a padam, then it acts like an adjective to the karta, denoted by it, and therefore it follows gender, number, case of the karta, the subject and sentence. Then number 6, tavatu is a ugit pratyaya. So about ugit we will discuss. That ugit more, the it and it.
It is not udit, right? Udit.
It's ugit,
Not udit.
not udit. Not ut. Let's say udit also, nothing wrong. But we need specifically say ugit because that's a rule. Ugit pratyaya will take sarvanamasthana pratyaya. Therefore I am saying ugit. If you say udit, that should have some reason. There should be some reason to say udit. In the case of dhatu, when we say udit, it may take some itagama will come, itagama may not come. There are some conditions. If it is udit dhatu. But here it is uk, u, ru, lu. Tavatu being u. Therefore, uk becomes ugit. Uk, it, yasya saha, ugit. Therefore it will take numanama. Ugit covers all the possibilities. The it letter can be u, the it letter can be r, the it letter can be lu. You don't see any lu, only r. Where is r? Shatru. And where is u? Tavatu. Right? Yes.
Sorry, is this for Pulinga?
Huh?
Is this for Pulinga? Because
No, I am not specifying anything pulling where.
No, you don't specify that. I understood it in Strilinga, it's only E comes.
We will see that, right? So, tavat is ugit. So, ugit will take numagama when sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. This is number 6. Then number 8. Please write. Tavatu pratyaya being a valadi ardhataka pratyaya, therefore it will take it agama. All these things we know. We have to bring all the information together. I'm just giving all the points, point by point. Tavat.
7.
Okay, number 7. Tavat kadanta pratyaya, ardhataka pratyaya, valadi pratyaya. It is a ugit. Therefore you have to bring all the properties and apply that and derive the form. So when one thing is said, you have to connect to so many things. Tavatu, ta, therefore it's a val adi ardhataka pratyaya, therefore it will take itagama, being ugit, therefore numagama will come and sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. Right? It's not difficult, it takes some time. So if you can connect, then it's what I have presented so in a point by point way. Now in Pullinga, in Pullinga Udaharanam I am given here. We have seen this. Pat plus Tavatu. Pat is a Set Dhatu. It will take Itagama. It will take Itagama provided if it is a Ardhataka Pratyaya beginning with Val. Fulfills the condition. Therefore, Itagama is here E. Right? This is it. Takara is it letter. So it is Itavatu. So Pat plus Itavatu becomes Patitavatu. We can write up to point number 7. In point number 8, already I taught, just see. Up to point number 7, you need to write point number 7, 8. Just I will explain with an example, Pullinga, then Strilinga, then Napumsakallinga. that you can just see. Already I told you how to derive that. So pat plus itavat becomes patitavat. Patitavat is now pratipadikam. Krutanta also is a pratipadikam. Now pratipadikam, what gender? Pullinga. So patitavat plus su. Su, aujas, out. All these are sarvamastana pratyaya. Therefore numakama will come. But numakama you can see here. Right? So adding that you get patitavan. The su is also dropped and takara also dropped. It's dropped. That we will see in Subanta Prakarana later. Just now it is dropped. So you get patitavan. Dhimat shabda you remember. Dhiman, patitavan. Right? Second one is easy. That only Meranam you have to add. Yes.
We don't need to know why it's a patitavan.
Why it is
Dirgha.
Dirgha? The rule need not know. I am not telling the rules. Just that's why connected to Dhimat Shabda. Remember Dhimat Shabda. If you go to the rule, then we need to have a lot of information for it. If you go there, another thing will come. If you go there, another thing will come. So it's like a noodles. So we have to cut somewhere. So I am cutting it here itself. Just drop and the before nakara, that va, a is that becomes dirgha. Yes, patitava. Connect to Dhimat Shabda. That's always, that's why I recommend to remember one Shabda so that you can connect with some Shabda and remember the form. Second one I am saying because it is only a Meranam. Patitavan plus au, patitavantau. And the third one, patitavan plus as, patitavantaha. No problem in those forms. Patitavan plus am, patitavantam. Patitavan plus au, patitavantau. After that, follow Dhimat. So in all Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, you get the, when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, you get Numagama. The Anga gets Numagama. Right? Pullinga is over. This is for Sek Dhatu. There are Anit, Ved, you will see that. And just one example for Pullinga. Now Strilinga. Strilinga, Pat plus Tavatu. Pat plus Tavatu, Itahama comes. Itavatu. You get same Patitavat. Up to that it is same only. Up to the derivation of Pratipadikam, that is common derivation. Common derivation Patitavat. Okay, Patitavat, not Patitavat. Patitavat, same. Pullinga like Dhimat. Now Strilinga, what you have to do? If it is Takara Anta Pratipadikam, you add E. That also we saw. If it is Akara Antam A, Takara Antam E. If it is Rikara Antam, Ua. That also we saw that. Rikara Anta. Anybody? Karta, Kartru Shabda. Rikara Antaha, Pullingaha, Kartru Shabdaha. Suppose if it is Strilinga. Yes. What is that? Kartri. What you are adding? E. Shabda Manjari, same Karta Shabda is Strilinga. Below that you will give this form. It is like Nadi Shabdavat. So Rikaranta and Takaranta will take the Strilinga Pratyaya E. If to convert into Strilinga, you need to add E. Okay. This set information. We know it. Already we have seen. Kartri and Datri. Okay. So Ikaranta, Nadi Shabdavat. So here Takaranta. So Takaranta, Rikaranta E. Akaranta A. Okay. Randebhyaha Neeb Sutra is Ajadyata Top Pratyaya. Top and Neeb. Strilinga Pratyaya Adhikaranam that we will see when we see Subanta, the Sutra. So now Patitavat plus E, what is the Pratipadikam? Patitavati. Now Patitavati, when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, will it take Numagama? That's what the question is, right? Millet.
It doesn't take.
Doesn't take. Because in between E is there. So it won't take. Whereas in Kshatri it takes. Why? Because there the condition is when E follows, it will take. That's the condition in Kshatri. Remember the difference between Kshatranta Strilinga and Tavata Strilinga. In Kshatranta, what we said is, when the Pratyaya E follows, then it will take Numahama. We didn't say su follows numagama will take. Remember that. Connect with Strilinga. Okay, in Strilinga, if you take any shabda, patanti, the pratipadikam itself numagama is there. Where pratyaya is there? Have you had a su pratyaya? No. When he pratyaya follows, then itself we are getting numagama. Right? So therefore Shatranta you will find a numagama throughout. Patanti is a pratipadikam. Patanti, patantyo, patantyaha, patantim, patantyo, patantihi, patantya. Throughout the shabda you get nakara is there. Clear? Yes? Now, there the condition is E follows. But here the condition is when Sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. So patitavati the pratipadikam. Then you add su. Oh, just. Right? Sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. Follows what? Follows E, not patitavat. Therefore, no numagama business here. Is it clear?
Can we write it as a rule? Like this or something?
You can write it, whatever I said, you can write it. I wrote, I think, that day.
And this is for each gana. Means,
Which gana? What is each gana?
I'm just because in 6th gana when we have like Shatranta, you can take it, cannot.
That's okay. That's all very specific. Don't bring in the specific. General rule you have seen. Okay. Specific, if you go, then we have to get into the specific. Ugit will take Sarvanamasthana pratyaya. This is already we wrote. Okay. When Sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. And here below I said, Shatra will take numagama when Sti pratyaya E follows. This is the rule. Shatra will take numagama when Sti pratyaya E follows. Okay. For your understanding, I am just copy and paste these two alone. Just see. Combining these two, you please try to understand. This is number one. And here it is. This is number one. Ugit will take numagama when Sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. Number one. And Shatra will take numagama when Sti pratyaya E follows. Now listen, you can write later. Ugit pratyaya will take numagama when Sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows when we say. Ugit is pratipadikam. Right? When Sarvanamasthana pratyaya, you are adding Supratyaya, Suavujus, Samavujus. Therefore, it will, when you declare the Pratipadikam, Numagama comes. Right? Yes or no? Numagama comes. In the Sarvanamasthana, when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. Therefore, for Pullinga 5 and Strilinga for the 5 and Napumsakalinga 1, 3, 2, 3, Numagama comes there. Generally, okay, don't go to specific. And if it is a Shatra, that will take Numagama when Stri Pratyaya follows. If this Stri Pratyaya follows, suppose if it is not there, then in Strilinga Shatra, will you get Numagama? You will not get. You will have the Pratipadikam Patati only, not Patanti, not Gachanti. Understand? So therefore this is very specific for Shatra only. So don't confuse Shatra with Tavatu. Tavatu comes here only, Ugit. So Tavatu will take Sarvanamasthana, will take Numagama only when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. Clear? So therefore only the 5 places only you get Numagama. So Patitavan, Patitavanto, Patitavantaha, Patitavantam, Patitavanto, Patitavataha in Pullinga. In Strilinga, Patitavati, Patitavati is a Pratipadikam. No Numagama. Even if Su follows. The Su, between Su and Tavatu, what is the intervening? E is there. That stops. That stops the Pratipadikam getting Numagama. Right? So Patitavati, Patitavatyo, Patitavatyaha. Don't think Patitavanti, Patitavantyo. No, it will not get. Understand? Yes? No? E is intervening. Not Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows immediately the Pratipadikam. When E intervenes, then it will not take Numagama. That is why specifically I said Shatra will take Numagama when Stri Pratyaya follows, not Tavatu. Clear? is not clear, you think it will become clear. If it's not clear, just remember this much. Patitavati, E, that's all. No Numagama. More on this we will see when we study Sutra. But this is our too much of technical details I don't want to give. First understand, try to understand the formation. Start using it, the language. Start understanding the sentences, the usage.
Charanji,
Yes.
but in practical sense, if you take the Pratikadikan and follows the Nadi Shabda, is it okay? Will be right.
Again, this only?
In the practical sense,
Mhm.
if you take the Pratikadikan in Kavatu or Shatra, and we follow the table of Pachan or Nadi or whatever gender, is it to be right? Without worry about the Nungagama, because in the table is there Nungagama. If we follow the table of Pachan.
Numagama, which table you are saying?
Pachan.
Yeah, Pachan, okay. What about Srilinga?
Dima.
Yeah, what about Srilinga?
Nadi.
Nadi is, there is no num there, okay. So you have to follow the Pachanti Shabda then.
Pachanti.
Pachanti, the Shabda Manjari, that you can follow. Right? See, this is not a big thing actually. If you think, spend some time, 5 minutes, just be alert and see, you will understand what it is. If you understand this, then it becomes very simple.
Actually, it's two opposite things.
That's it. I'm saying you are unnecessarily bringing two things and getting confused. That's what I'm saying. It's very simple. See, first rule you need to understand very clearly. Ukit will take Numagama when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. Right? See. What example will give?
I think this is clear just when we start practicing. So no need
Yes.
to waste time in this one. It's okay, it's clear.
No.
See further on.
I understood Chinese, no?
Hmm?
No, don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay. We will spend later the time on this, okay, because I have to do something.
Yes.
Next one. In Napumsakalinga, the same. You get Patitavata. This is, up to Patitavata is common. Then you refer the Jagat Shabda. Refer Jagat Shabda, Jagat Jaganti, Jagat Jagati, Jaganti. That's all. After that, same as Pullinga Shabda. Okay. These are the 9 points. If you know these 9 points, Tavatu is done. Okay. Yes?
Tabatu is very important.
Huh?
Tabatu is very important.
Very important, yes. It replaces Kartari lung. So therefore it's very important. Lung is difficult. Difficult means you need to remember 9 gana, 10 ganas, different dhatus, different form. Suppose you have got some dhatu in the second gana, third gana. You don't know the lung form. It's very difficult. Just add tavatu, make it simple. And you are going to see how we can form the tavatu form. That we need to know. It's not difficult. I'll show you now. Okay. Now, 2000 dhatus are there in different ganas. Adding tavatu will be so simple. Depending on the dhatus, the tavatu will change. And you need to recall the sandhi rules, other things. It all will come. Okay. This also you need to say, so much of work has been done to classify the dhatus in a way so that you understand. I have classified the dhatus in these ways. How many dhatus? How many types? 15 types. Okay. I have classified the dhatus, the whole dhatus into 15 types. Now, first type is dhatus taking itagama. First one is Dhatu taking Itagama. So, Itagama already we have done. Let me do another Dhatu. Creed Dhatu. Creed plus Tavatu. What will happen? I said Itagama, Chakti Dhatu Kosha, Set Dhatu. So, Itavatu. So, what do you get? Creedita. Creeditavat. So, Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Creeditavat Shabdaha, Creeditavan, Creeditavantau, Creeditavantaha, Creeditavantam, Creeditavantau, Creeditavataha, Creeditavata. Srilinga, just take Nadi, no business. Creeditavati, Creeditavatyau, Creeditavatyaha, Creeditavati, Creeditavatyo, Creeditavati. Bhavati kim krutavati? Use this. Bhavan kim krutavan? Clear? What you call? Tat kim krutavat, because it's napumsakalinga. Shveta palakam. You can say agam kriditavat because napumsakalinga. Right? So one example I am giving. It's good if you can copy one example. 1 minute before that. I'll tell you at time. We are not going to cover all the 15 classifications today, not possible. Now, the forms of Tavatu for different dhatus belonging to different ganas. The first type is dhatu taking Itagama, number 1. And I have tried to cover as many dhatus as possible in this. All these things that I explained up to this page. That's why we saw. Okay. So here I have tried to cover different dhatus. All these dhatus, state dhatu. This is not a whole set of dhatus. Taken dhatus from different ganas. Okay. So Kridi will become, Lik will become, you can just read this, Krit Pratyayantam. Okay, Lik will become, Lik means to write, Arch, Architavat, Jeev, and you can see on all the genders, Jeevitavan, Pullinga, Jeevitavati, Strilinga, Jeevitavat, Napumsakalinga. Agam Jeevitavan, Bhavati Jeevitavati, Tat Jeevitavat, right? So, Pat, Patitavat, Kut. You should know the dhatu, dhatartha. Okay, I have given the dhatu artha also here. Kup means to be angry. Kupitavat. Agam Kupitavan. Right? Pat. Patitavan. Raksh. Rakshitavat. Yach. To beg, to ask. Yach is Yachati, Yachataha, Yachanti. Lang lakara ayachat. Ayachatam, Ayachan. Ayachaha, Ayachatam, Ayachata, Ayacham. Agam Ayacham. Agam Yachitavan. Both are same. From Ayachaha is equal to Yachitavan. Simple. So there is no Atagama and Ting Pratya, bring Ayachaha, just say Yachitavan. Whether it is you, me or somebody else. Same. But number changes. Vayam dash Yachitavantaha. Right? Clear? Av means to protect. Avati Rakshati iti Om. Av dhatu. Avitavat. Rud. Ruditavat. You can see that the gana changes, not same, different ganas. All these are same dhatu. Shiksh. Shikshitavat. Gan. Gan is Gan becomes Ganitavat. Gan becomes Ganitavat. Tenth Gana, yes, it will take. Okay. It will take glitch, but something happens. As I said, if it is this thing, that he goes away. We'll see that later. Just know Ganitavati. 10th Gana. Chint becomes Chintitavati. Agam chintitavan, I think. Agam achintayat, agam achintayam, same. Jalp, jalpitavat, arth, again chantakana, arthitavat, iksh, it is iksh, not ikshita, dhatu is iksh, ikshitavat, to see. Kat, chantakana, katitavat, ghrish. Grish, they have got two forms. One is, okay, another thing is, this Tavatu, will it cause Angakarya? That also you can add as one more point. In the number of points, because it is Kit Pratyaya. Kit Ardharthagam will negate Angakarya. Please add one more point. So here you can add number 8. Being kid. Earth will negate Guna. Will negate Angakarya, which is Guna. Okay. Angakarya. Therefore this will become 9. Will change now. Let me do like this. So they come 8 or 9, this is 10. And this is right. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. This becomes 11. Okay. Yeah, okay. Add at that point, it will negate Guna because Kit. Okay, then the next one. So here, Grish, Grish Dhatu, you can see Gru, we got two forms. Very specific, okay. Just I'm giving you, making you see that we have got two forms. And, just know that it's enough. Grishitavat, Goshitavat. Okay. Is Goshitavat or Gush? Let me check this, maybe Gush Dhatu. Can you check the Dhatu Pata, Dhatu Kosha? Whether this Dhatu is Grish or something else. Just check quickly. Grish Dhatu. Samskrtam, it is personal body, state. Two rules, right? Yeah. Two rules. Okay, then maybe the form is there. Some other rule. Okay. Goshitavat also is there. Because somewhere it's there, that's why I have done this. Fine. Then Jwal Dhatu. Leave that, okay. Jwal Dhatu, Jwalitavatu. Come to shake, Kampitavatu. Mill to knead. Viditavatu. Chur Dhatu becomes Choritavatu. Therefore, Nich is added. Yes or no? Nich is there. Don't worry. Okay. 10th Gana, Nich is there. That's what your doubt is. What happened to Nich? Choritavatu. And after that something happened because it will get Pratyaya and something that we will see. If at all it happens, because in Gana yet and all it happened. Now that becomes Nahitavatu. Ninda becomes Nindit. Okay, this is, we can add more and more dhatus, but I have added many dhatus. Let's go through the dhatus. Okay. This is number 1. So now you can copy number 1. Dhatus taking itagama will be, example, one udahana is Kriditavatu. If you are sufficient with one example, just Kriditavatu. But I have given you a lot of dhatus that you can read in your leisure. Let's go through the dhatus. Suppose if you are not able to find the forms of, then you can refer to the table, because I have covered everything there. Right? Copy this. Then the next one. Dhatus not taking vitagama. Number 2. This is the second classification. Dhatus not taking vitagama. Please write this one example. And similarly, second one example. For second one, dhatu is not taking itagama. I'm giving one example and copy pasting. Just a minute. From this table, I'll take one dhatu. Okay. Taking Nrita dhatu. Nrit, to dance. Okay. Nrit, to dance. It doesn't take itagama. Or the first dhatu is just kship. Kship dhatu. Kship, to throw. That doesn't take itagama. Anit dhatu. Kship plus tavat doesn't take itagama, therefore doesn't become kshipitavat. Kship plus tavat becomes kshiptavat. Kshiptavat is a pratipadi. Okay. Why it doesn't become here kshi becomes kshe? Because upada is rasva e. So what? It is penalty made only E. Yeah? That's a point. Kit. Kit negates guna. Remember that. It's ardhataka. What negates guna? Kit. I am writing only tavatu. But what is the actual tavatu? Kakara is, don't see, I mean, it is there. Okay. It is tavatu. If I write like this, you will say, yes, negate guna. But I didn't write that. I am writing only the content of tavatu. Negates guna. If guna happens, becomes kshe. If you do guna and also add itagama, then kshe pitavan will come. We don't have any such thing. Okay. Shiptavan only. Agam shiptavan. I threw. Okay. Copy?
It's not set dhatu for that reason.
For that reason?
Set. It is not set. For that reason it becomes set itagama.
Yes. So kship dhatu, okay. It is fourth gana, becomes kshipyati. Okay. It is Parsnipadi. Parsnipadi, anit. A for anit, okay. In all the here I have written A. You can see A means anit. This is dhatu. What will be the lung form? Akshi. Akshi. Fourth gana, okay. Why okay, lung lakara, fine. Sheep, then yet. Shan plus takara. Akshipyat. Akshipyat, akshipyatam, akshipyan. Akshipyaha, akshipyatam, akshipyata. Agam akshipyam. Agam kshipitavan. Sorry, kshiptavan. Kshiptavan. I threw. Okay. Past tense. The same way, a lot of dhatus are given here. Kras become krastavat. Drit, to dance. Drittavat. Agam drittavan means I danced. Drit. Huh?
Why it's written S?
Yes.
If it's anit.
The copy paste problem. You just check. So it's all copy paste problem. It's good. Just check the dhatu. Or even if it is said, sometimes it will not take itagama. That possibility also is there. Okay. Just check it. I don't have to check. So many dhatus are there in this copy. Huh? Said. Okay. But still it doesn't take itagama. It's okay. Yeah, it doesn't take itagama in this context. That is why dhatu is not taking itagama. The dhatu may be said. Why it doesn't take itagama? Because of some other reason. Itagama is a section where a lot of overlapping will be there. So difficult to understand now. That is why even though it is said, I have written here, dhatu is not taking itagama in this context, tavatu. Okay. Okay, that's how we have to know it. Now we cannot see what is Itagama. We need to study. Itagama we know only one rule. Adadhataka well we take Itagama. That's all we know. Itagama is a very it's not complicated. Lot of overlapping will be there. That which will take it may not take it. That which will not take it may take it. And depending on the dhatu, it will take, udit dhatu may take it, may not take it. So a lot of combinations are there, possibilities.
So long forms are easier.
Huh?
Long forms are easier.
Just know this. It comes only by mistake. You cannot just know everything in one shot. If you do mistake, you will say now with the Itagama you will say grasitavat. Then I have to correct, no, it is not grasitavat, it is grastavat. Because the form is grastavat. I also don't know, I also will say grasitavat. I cannot remember immediately that Itagama what rule I will apply and say. Making mistake and correcting only. But I know what the forms I have given you. Okay, you check this. Nirtavat, astavat, deeptavat. All these are said. Okay. The dhatu is said in the dhatu kosha, but here it doesn't take Itagama. Right? So taptavat, luptavat, praptavat, shaktavat, shaktavat, kruttavat. Krut is to cut. Krutavan, kru is to do. That is different. Krut is different. Kru, karoti, krutaha. That is different. The dhatu is krut. Okay. Not krut pratyaya. Dhatu is krut. To cut. Kartari. Cut from this only. Kartari. Okay. So, kruttavat. Vrit. Vrittavat. Okay. This is number 2. One example I have given here. Dhatu is not taking Itagama. Either here the dhatu maybe the Itagama, it can take maybe the Itagama dhatu in the dhatu kosha, but in Tavatu, in the context of Tavatu, it doesn't take. That's what you have to understand. Then the third one, you cannot remember everything in one shot. Don't try to do that. Just know. These are no. Can you say Karitavan, Paditavan, Gatavan, Davitavan, Kritavan? It's okay. When something is there, can you identify it as a past participle? That is fine. Trying to know everything is not possible. I am giving you the forms, all the forms. And class based on certain commonalities. Now the third one, dhatu ending with a, e, u, and the. Dhatu ending with this and taking no Itagama. No Itagama. These dhatus, and the condition is taking no Itagama. What will be the forms? One dhatu I will just write, which is here. G dhatu. G jayati, to conquer. That becomes jitavat. Just only one example. G plus tavatu become jitavat. Jitavat. Jitavan, jitavati, jitavat. G is dhatu ending with e, karanta dhatu, and not taking Itagama, the form will be jitavat. Okay. So now if you see the lesson, in fact, go back to infantile and see if there are any tautu pratyaya, tautu padam is there. You will be able to understand what is this. From that dhatu, you can make understand. You can understand that whether it is Itagama or not, what dhatu. So all these things you can find out. So when you read now the text, Bhashyam, if it is Pradanta is used, present part it is Tavatu or Ukta Pratyaya, you can at least say this is Kta Pratyaya, this is Tavatu Pratyaya is added. You can understand the meaning. You may not know the derivation. For derivation you need to know a lot of things. Okay. Right? So 3 classifications we have done now. Fourth one you will see Shtukta Sandhi will happen, and now Itakama, that we will see tomorrow. Okay. First you copy this, and then once you do this, then I can modify the file and then send you later. But you need to have all this. It's clear with this? And the next one, Dhatus, where Shtukta Sandhi. You can take Shtukta Sandhi. It means Dhatu may be ending with Shakara. That we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Once we complete this, then I will give you some examples. You can do it.